Hi YouTubers, welcome to another video, Budgie-Boys vlog. We've got 3 more chickies since the last video. If you look in the very back row, there's a Lutino climbing up on the curtain there. And the other one, which is a pied one, it's Sweet Pete on top and Cutie Pie on the left hand side. We also have one who has a lame left foot. His name's High Five, he's in the top right. Unfortunately, sometimes it does happen that you have a bird which has a disability, but he gets around okay, and decided not to do anything about him, just to make life as best as possible for him. He seems to be doing okay with his foot. Hello, little Zibby. Little Zibby, that's Cinnamon, the zebra finch. Come in and say howdy doody. There's Budgie-Boy in the center of the screen, and Wadgy Boots on the left of him. In the background looks like Snowy Boy and Sweetie Pie. So yeah, the birdies are doing very well. This is the middle of the day here, so it's Budgie sit and chat time of day. They like to just relax and chat. There's other budgies on the other side of the aviary. Also won't come in and chat with everyone. Budgies just love to, especially in the middle of the day, just to sit down and chat. They all enjoy each other's company, all enjoy taking part in a combined chat session. You've got a kitty cat coming to say hello. Meow. Meow. Yeah, it's a little farm here. Cats and birds and all kinds of things. We've seen how good ropes can be in an aviary. You can string them up all around the place, and they actually make for very good perches. See those birds in the background there? Oops. Also use them to climb up and down on. Yeah. The babies are so playful, always out chewing and flapping around while everyone else is sitting down and having a rest. Oh. Okay. I'm glad that of the new babies, there's 3 males. We had a lot of females in the previous batch. So it's really nice to have more males, and much more friendly and less prone to fighting. Hey, there's old Cutie Pie on the left there. Oops. They need a bit of grit in their life as well, so on the floor of the aviary they have lots of grit. Yeah. Well, have a good day. Bye.